Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys would love to see how I move my hair from relaxed straight to my clip-in extensions, then keep on watching. A lot of persons usually don't use clip-ins because they think that it's pointless, but if you're like me and you don't want to commit yourself to having a sewing, I like my head to feel very free. And so at night, even if I go out, I just want to come in and just go to bed. I feel like the best alternative clip-ins when I want a little bit more length, I want a different look. I've been wearing my hair all week long and now I just want to switch it up a little bit. So I always draw for my clip-ins. And it's pretty easy how you can put them in. Super easy. And I'm going to show you guys today how you get a nice lay, almost looking like you're really here. So first, I'm going to go through my hair with the flat iron just to make sure my hair is very sleek, and then I'm going to go in with the clipping. So now I'm just going to show you guys how I flat iron my hair. There's no rocket science to that really. Just I'm going to skip through that really fast, and yeah, you guys can watch. First, to start this video off, you need to know where you want to part your hair. So whether you want it to be in the center or the side. Here, so you just going to section your hair into two parts. Clip this part so that's out of your completely. Step two, grab your clip-ins. I just had them put down for a while, so my clip-in extensions are looking a little bit. They're looking a little bit crazy right now, but don't worry. I'll show you guys how I fix that. I use a coarse brush just to brush. You will just want to use a flat iron from the root to the end. This is a little bit too high. Alright, so I'm definitely going to turn this down. It's really hot. So it's looking crazy right now because my hair needs to be washed. Looking a little flatter than before. So now I'm just gonna flat iron the clip-in. I have 7 pieces of clip-ins, clips at the top like so.
Raider.
And I like to do this outside my head because it just makes the process way easier than to put them in and then go into flat iron it. So as you can see, this is really silky. Basically just put one side here on and clip. So that's in. It's not straight, but just put it down. one side of my head is done. Like, this is so easy. And I like to use my coarse brush and just blend the top of my hair in with the clip-in. So for you guys to just look at how well it's blended. Like, this is mine and this is the clip-ins, and it just looks like it's my hair. It blends so well. So what I like to do to get a nice, you know, put together look, I would get some moisturizer, any moisturizer you have at your house. You don't have to have the same thing like me. And I just put some in my hand like so. Guys, you know how to moisturize, but I just if you would like, you could just go back in with your flat iron just to achieve this look. You know, you can just think about purchasing some clippings. And thanks so much for tuning in to my YouTube. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and don't forget to leave a comment down below and tell me what type of videos you'd like to see. Thanks for watching.